Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulfi Dwi Anggraini. In this video, I will explain about my research proposal. The title is The Correlation Between Interest in Online Reading Activity and Reading Comprehension of TOEIC Test in Intensive Class at UIN Sunan Ampel. Research background. The importance of reading is essential. The student will learn English as the foreign language. In the reading, they are very much involved and greatly benefit from English skill. The skill of reading English as part of English subject is tough integrated with other English skills since the student study in elementary school. So it can involve their reading comprehension. Nowadays, in the millennial era, many things they can read in EFL context everywhere and every time. Online reading activity is the reading activity that using internet data. For example, that people reading newspaper, journal, or etc. In the web, they research in internet. Nowadays, they is era students has read some article in form of online article. In the future, research I will use reading online activity and reading comprehension in TOEIC test because I want to know whether any correlation about this variable. Research question. The first research question is how student interest in reading online activity can affect the reading comprehension. And the second research question is how is the correlation between reading online activity and reading comprehension in TOEIC test in intensive class at UIN Sunan Ampel. Scope and limitation. This study limited on university at UIN Sunan Ampel. The participant of the research is study from intensive class at UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. The focus is whether to find any correlation between interest reading in online activity and reading comprehension in TOEIC test. Definition of key terms. The first key term is interest and the second is online reading and the third is reading comprehension. The two studies that related with this study is the first is conducted by Dian Propo and title is a correlation study between student interest of reading on English text and translation ability throughout reading comprehension at the 5th semester student of English Education Department in the State Islamic Institute of Surakarta. And the second is conducted by Amira. The correlation between student reading interest and student reading comprehension ability at the first semester of the 11th grade of SMP YP Unila Bandar Lampung. Research methodology. This is quantitative research and quantitative design correlation method is used in the research because I want to know the correlation between student interest in online reading activity and reading comprehension in TOEIC test. Research data and source of data. In this research, two kinds of data. First data is student interest in online reading activity results, and the second data is TOEIC test score result. Data collecting technique. Data from student interest in online reading activity are collected using questionnaire, and data from reading comprehension using TOEIC score research instrument. Questionnaire with Likert skill used to collecting the data of student interest in online reading activity and TOEIC score to collecting the data of reading comprehension in TOEIC. Data analysis technique using person product formula and also SPSS. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.